Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 47. In how many ways can the letter of the word affliation be arranged? Now, we have A 6 factorial, B 7 factorial, C 5 factorial, and D 8 factorial. Now, looking at this word affliation, affliation has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, we can say that what affliation can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Since it has what 7 letters, it can be arranged in what 7 factorial ways. This 7 factorial simply means what 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 ways. So the answer is option what B, 7 factorial ways. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.